Continuing coverage, Sean Diddy Combs' federal sex trafficking trial kicking off with some drama today. The judge issuing a warning to Combs, saying if he continues trying to interact with the jury, he might exclude him from being in the courtroom. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joining us. So earlier in the trial, the judge warned the defense about Combs' facial expressions. What exactly happened today?
Yeah, so the judge said that he saw Combs on 2 different occasions during testimony today, looking at the jury and nodding vigorously, telling the defense they have now been warned twice, and if it happens again, Combs could be taken out of the courtroom. The judge says the nodding happened during testimony from one of Cassie Ventura's friends. Testifying Wednesday, he once dangled her over a Los Angeles balcony, the defense pressing her during cross Thursday. Isn't it true that you continued to hang out with Mr. Combs and you continued to spend the night at Miss Ventura's house because Mr. Combs did not cause those injuries? She responded, part of that statement is correct and part of that statement I can't agree with. The defense also questioning the incident timeline, saying Combs was on the East Coast for a performance that day. You agree that one person can't be in 2 places at the same time. She responded, in theory, yeah. One of Combs' accusers, being referred to as Jane, also taking the stand, testifying about the relationship from 2021 to 2024, which included freak-offs and drugs.
It shows that this was not a one-off incident, that this is how Combs operates.
Jane describing feeling trapped, saying other men were often in their sexual encounters, but she performed because she loved him and Combs was paying her rent.
So there's these very competing emotions, and the defense is going to try to show that they're contradictory.
She also said the relationship affected her ability to work, Combs periodically giving her an allowance.
The prosecution wants to show that this is a method of luring in women.
Now, prosecutors say they are working to make sure direct questioning of Jane is finished by the end of the day Monday. Her testimony will continue Friday morning when the trial resumes at 9 o'clock. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.